This is Aishwarya Rajkumar from India. I am pursuing my BTech degree from Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai. My hobbies are net surfing, updating information about Android. I love traveling too. I like to solve puzzles and Sudoku. I am interested in microfinance, economics, electronics, cross-cultural communication, and of course entrepreneurship. This project, Entrepreneur Revolution, is a great platform to gain knowledge and create awareness about entrepreneurs in Indonesia. I believe entrepreneurship is very important for Indonesia in future, as it can create more job opportunities, and also entrepreneur can contribute to the development of the nation and solve the problems of the economical problems of the society. I believe a true entrepreneur will generate added value to create opportunities to use innovation and are willing to take calculated financial as well as mental risk. I think taking up such risks in a young age is much easier than to take it in future, as young people have less commitments and responsibilities as compared to the middle-aged people. So I would like to say that entrepreneurship should be inculcated in a young age itself. Coming up to the Indian scenario, in 1991, economic liberalization of India led to a business environment, complete business environment. It provoked a host of entrepreneurs, the big and small, who have created value and generated millions of job opportunities. NSSO reports that 254 out of 1,000 Indians are self-employed, and it's a respectable average globally. In 2020, an average Indian is expected to be 29 years old, as compared to 39 in China and 48 in USA. It is going to give an amazing opportunity to the young Indians to take the entrepreneurial routes. Moreover, the challenges that the young entrepreneur have to face are much more than the advantages to become an entrepreneur. They have a high competition with the companies which are well developed and which have which are branded, and even multinational corporates. So they have to face this problem. And another major problem is financial support for a startup. Indian government offers many schemes like tax holidays, loans and low interest rates to support and motivate young entrepreneurship. Moreover, there are many successful entrepreneurs in India who have been the inspiration for other young Indians to develop and to grow in entrepreneurial route. I believe that the social awareness should be created among the youngsters about entrepreneurship, and that will inspire them and motivate them to take up the entrepreneurial routes. This is why I would like to work on this project, and it will be a great opportunity for me to know about economical strategies of different countries and work with talented people across the world. I am a hardworking person and I can work under pressure. I am truly devoted to my work, and I would like to explore. I love to explore new culture and different lifestyles of people. This wouldn't be possible if Isaac wouldn't have given me this chance. So I would just like to thank Isaac for giving me this wonderful opportunity to work on this project especially, and thanks for watching this video. Bye.